Your current conditions. The local Doppler radar.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Gallatin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed.